Daewoo Puma 200 MS. Fanuc 18T control. Spindle is running at 1500 RPMs. 2500. 3300. 4000. Very quiet. Go ahead, jogging around. Do a turret index here. One more time. Alright, why don't you go ahead and do the sub spindle? It's running at 2500 RPM. Very quiet. And at 3500, 4000. We're on the B axis. Alright, let's see the live tool. Go ahead and turn it up a little more. Go ahead and crank it up to 1000 on the code. Very quiet. Turn it up. 1200, 1500. Alright, let's go ahead and see the C axis. Do it slow. Like it's contouring. There we go. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the parts catcher. Oh, that's a presetter. And that concludes our video of the Daewoo Puma 200 MS.